Hello guys, it's me again, and today we have a graphics card Gigabyte RX 580, which is 8 gigabyte. And according to my diagnostic, I found out that the display rail is missing, or the 0.8 volts rail is missing. So in order to replace the IC, I waited for this to come. I ordered online, came from China. So we will replace this and see if the card is produce image or being detected now. So okay, I already replaced it by new chip. This chip is labeled GS9238. So it's the PWM IC that drives or outputting the display rail. So before I test it, I will just flex my workbench, my tiny workbench. As you can see, this is my only tool, the hot air. I have no DC bench power supply, or I don't even have a microscope for now, because as my channel's name, I'm just a poor technician. I'm open with any donations, and please, I'm begging you to subscribe and support me. And if I get lucky, I will get back to you for what you did to me. Okay, let's take the part 2.